Hello, my name is Benjamin Hart. I'm an American attorney and the managing director of Integrity Legal here in Bangkok, Thailand. As the title of this video suggests, we're discussing, I hear this sometimes. It seems to come up about once a year, either in the context of U.S. immigration or Thai immigration. I also sometimes see it as, it's something out there that's kind of thrown around as if it's sort of the end-all be-all as someone who knows what's going on with immigration. In either context, I'll be talking to somebody and they'll say, well, so-and-so says this is how it will turn out, and he or she is a former visa officer. Okay. I mean, every time I hear that, it's like, yeah, and that doesn't in my mind, give me any real insight for a couple of reasons. One, different officers have a different paradigm when it comes to adjudicating immigration matters. So what is deemed important to one officer may not be considered all that important to another one. Yes, sometimes there can be some insight into how the bureaucracy works, but quite honestly, especially over roughly the past 3 to 5 years, I don't know how useful that is, because what the immigration system, for example, in the United States looked like 5 years ago is radically different than what it looks like now. Thai immigration, very similar. And then, honestly, things just change over time. Practitioners see this, we do the best we can, and we deal with things as they come up. I'm not saying there's anything, I've dealt with lawyers and things that have worked, for example, in the State Department before and have some really keen insights into certain aspects of how that works. But whenever I see it sort of as the definitive, this is the end-all be-all answer to all questions, so-and-so is a former visa officer, I always kind of look at that or take that with a grain of salt, because quite honestly, it may provide some insight, but again, it is not sort of the end-all be-all of who knows what's going on with respect to immigration laws. Quite frankly, especially with lay people that have been in the immigration apparatus, I've actually seen them say things both online and in real life that can cause real problems for folks, because quite honestly, the system changed between the time they were working in it and the time they're talking about it. So again, this is something, it's good to gain the insight you can, but do not view it as sort of a magic bullet that somebody previously worked in the immigration system. Whatever immigration system that was, do not view that as a magic bullet as far as somebody who can is a magician with respect to immigration law. That's not been my experience of how it actually works.